She passed me in the street like she never knew me. Look how she do me, treat me like my name was Louis. Imagine she walked right through me, something like in another teen movie. Playing hard to get, now playing hard to keep. Remember Hillary, picture her with more artillery. You feeling me? Damn, I miss that. Boy, I wanna re-enlist that. Me, I wanna kiss that. Baby got back, let me hit that just one more time. Yo, she's one of a kind without trying. I ain't lying. Girly with her curly, call her Shirley. I'm in that door early without a worry. But that's a different story. She ain't looking out for me no more.
Yeah, yeah.
The rubber that tummy, the way you sip that bubbly made you look lovely. It's a little different dope. Things are back tied. Just a year ago, I got the awkward eye, and I didn't know why, but realized I'm back from towing, and she's wanting this guy. You got the first giggle, I got the last laugh, and now you wanna wiggle straight, smacking that sad, screaming shit out like roach romance me, but all I wanna hear is spank me. Now I'm gonna skip it and you better thank me. And now you wanna give it, but she's a hanky panky.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.